Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie, stock number 28679T. This one has the LED headlights. It is black in color. Got the fog lights here in the front. I was going to say blackout package if you were wondering why there was such a pause. Sport hood. Makes it real stylish. I really like how they blacked out the emblems here in the front as well. It's got a nice set of 22-inch wheels. Those are granite and like a polished aluminum. Painted mirror, gloss black with turning signals in them. This is a 4x4 vehicle. On the inside here we have white stitching and all of the leather. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. Also has seat memory. Premium leather seats. These are heated and ventilated. This actually has, man, these seats are sweet. We got suede and leather. I'm gonna get up in there and see how comfortable this bad boy is. Never seen these. Got the 8.4-inch Uconnect radio. It's going to allow you to control everything from the backup camera to radio options, as well as climate control features that you see down here as well. Got your tow haul buttons here. This is kind of a new setup here. They light up whenever the vehicle's on. Let's see, there we go. You can see that. Now you can kind of see the radio too. Real nice. We got a CD player down here, 4 auxiliary options. Let me get down back in there again. 4 auxiliary options, wireless phone control or phone charger. Plenty of space here in the center console. This is sliding. This lifts up. This also has a dual stage which comes here. Now this is big enough to fit a tablet in or a couple of cell phones and charge here. Basically set up to be kind of like a mobile office. We have your 4-wheel drive controls here. Push button start. Cruise control options, gear shifting while you're towing. We got the options here, the buttons here to control different things in your gauge cluster that you see are lit up there. Also hands-free options. Right here on the back side of the steering wheel, once I get out I'll show you, but there are different controls for presets. Here's one. This side's for presets, and on the other side is for volume, controlling channels, things of that nature. Power rear sliding window. I like how they have the chrome aluminum look accents. This would probably be one of the ones that I would have. Really liking this interior though. Fold up seats. These fold all the way across. This actually does have the under seat storage as well. So how that works. Bam, now you got storage. Pretty simple. 4 auxiliary things for, auxiliary locations for 2 for USB-C, 2 for USB. Also, the rear seats are heated. This thing's loaded up real nice. Coolers here on the floor, or storage containers. If you got kids, it makes it nice for diapers and wipes. If you like hanging out with the boys, makes it good for having pops on the road. I just want to feature this center console as well. I really like what direction that Ram's going here. Trying to make it more efficient to the mobile phone user, mobile tablet user, the businessman. The center console is kind of really, efficient for if you like charging your tablet, or if you're on the go type of business person, or even have kids in the car. A rear backup camera here. Again, we got the blacked out stuff, blacked out emblems stuff. Chrome exhaust tips. We're set up to tow here. All the electrical needs. See that? I'll demo that again. Effortless with the tailgate, and I can actually lift it with one finger. Well, I kind of used two there at the end, but real nice, real easy, lightweight tailgate. Ram did an excellent job on designing that, in my opinion. Really, really nice truck. Again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500, stock number 28679. My name is Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit the website, sherrychrysler.com.